Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off, unplug, and remove any removable battery. You want to avoid data loss and static damage, so ground yourself or wear an anti-static strap. That's why you touch metal before handling parts. Next, flip the laptop and remove screws securing the bottom cover using the correct driver. Work methodically. Keep screws organized by location. Once the cover is loose, use a plastic pry tool to lift it. Gentle leverage prevents snapped clips and damaged trim. You'll now remove the old drive. Identify whether it's a 2, 5-inch SATA or an M2 module so you know how it's mounted. If it's a 2, 5-inch SATA, unplug the connector and lift the drive out of its bracket after removing screws. If it's an M2, unscrew the standoff and gently slide the module out at about a 30-degree angle. This angle frees the notch from the socket. Handle the SSD by its edges to prevent fingerprints or static damage. Place it on an anti-static surface. You install the new drive the reverse way. Slide an M2 into the socket at 30 degrees and secure it with the standoff screw or C to 2. 5-inch SATA drive in its tray and reconnect the cable. Once secured, replace the bottom cover and tighten screws evenly. Do not over-tighten. Boot into BIOS to confirm detection, then proceed to restore your image or install the operating system. If the drive isn't detected, reseat the connector and recheck the standoff screw. Loose connections are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.